Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is Deb with Dahlia Designs, jewelry and more, and mostly jewelry, but the and more is sort of like, you know, keychains and purse charms and stuff like that. Anyway, this is my small-ish Bead Box Bargains haul from May 27th, and I got this yesterday, actually, Saturday the 5th of June, and I thought I'd share it with you. I was going to do the video yesterday, but I just didn't get to it. So anyway, let me just do them. They're sort of sorted in order of the list, and the prices I'm going to tell you are what I paid before any discounts and also before shipping. For me, the shipping is normally $3.75 within the US. That's what they charge for a flat package in the shipping. Okay, and it comes, this came in a white bubble envelope as opposed to a blue or turquoise one. So the first thing is 4 pieces, 11 by 15 millimeter check pressed glass elephant beads. I like that their nose are turned, or their trunks are turned upward, which is supposed to be good luck. And let's see, the hole goes through the trunk and the torso, the body this way, as opposed to up and down, which is kind of different. I'm used to seeing them go up and down, but I actually think this is better for, not for earrings for sure, but for stringing on something, a bracelet or whatever. So these were $1.49, and the color of these is chalk white / gray luster. And then I also got them, I thought those looked like more realistic. And then I also got them, same thing, 4-piece 11 by 15 millimeter check pressed glass elephant beads in chalk white champagne luster. They're double-sided, as you can see, I hope. And again, the drill hole goes side to side. And they were each $1.49 for 4 pieces. So I didn't think that's terrible. And they're a nice size. They're not huge, but they're not teeny weeny either. My very first elephant piece was actual bone that had been gifted to me on it was a tiny little elephant about this big. And I actually got it from my boss. So next we have some bead strands. These I really love. I think I may have to get more if they have them in other colors or sizes. These are called 10-piece 11 by 9 millimeter check pressed glass wavy nugget bead, and they're an alabaster / blue stone finish, and they do look like stones to me, and they are blue. I love them. The alabaster, I guess, is the greeny browny color on them. Makes them look like stone, and they are very shiny. In the bag, they almost look like they had a little pink or purple on them, but I think they were reflecting off other things. So really pretty. Love those. I have to go see if they have other ones. And what made me realize I like them so much is when we did the Soft Flex kit renewal with those large wavy, they were larger than these, they're much longer, but these are a nice size. They're 11 long by 9 wide approximately. Love them. Okay, and then these are 48-piece strand 4 millimeter check pressed glass rondelle beads in alabaster / pink luster. They're just cute little rondelles, spacer beads. They'd be good for, oops, sorry. They'd be good for spacer beads. Not showing up real good there. There we go. Yeah, so I got them in, they're $2.19, and then the alabaster, I'm sorry. No, these were $2.19 a piece, sorry. This was $1.99 for 48 little ones, and then this is the same thing, but 4 millimeter check press glass rondelle beads, alabaster / sage luster. So you can see it's a sage green, which actually would look really good with that. Yeah, anyway. Then these caught my eye. These were $1.19 each. These are 8-piece 15 by 6 millimeter check press glass oval beads in blue/green multi-mix. They're sort of semi-transparent, translucent. I love the blue and green together. I think they'll make a nice project coming up sometime soon. And then I got 2 of these also. These are 14 piece 8 millimeter check fire polish faceted round beads in jet/powder blue mechanic. So jet is black, but it must be a black fire polish bead with the powder blue metallic coating on it, and they're gorgeous. I love them. I don't always go for the metallics, sometimes I do, but these have a nice, they're not like bright in your face blue, and I love them. They're coming across even brighter blue there than in person. They are more of a pale blue. Let's see if I can, let me turn this light off here and see. Still looking brighter there than in person. Sorry. Alright, so those were each $1.79. Then these are also 14 piece 8 millimeter check fire polish faceted rounds in crystal/golden shadow. Golden shadow is a color I've loved with Swarovski, and these have a lot of sparkle just like Swarovski crystal does. So, which, and you know, the crystal no longer has lead in it, which was one of the things that brought the sparkle, or supposedly doesn't. Anyway, these were $1.59 each. I guess it's easier to do that coating than the metallic. So next up, I got 3 of these. These are 11 piece check press glass wavy oval beads in almond/sea green/Picasso. The Picasso is the brown. Almond, I don't see much of on here at all. And sea green. So there's a lot of sea green. I'm not really seeing almond in these. Maybe tiny little bits here and there. Touches of it. But definitely the sea green and Picasso finish. And I think they look nearly like natural stones too. Those were $2.39 each, so those were a little more money. Alrighty, and then I got some charms. I got them in 3 colors, these flower charms. 2 piece, 17, which has to be the length this way, by 15 enameled flower charms in lavender gold, pink gold, and ivory gold. So those are the colors. I thought they were really pretty to put on, and they're lightweight, and they have a nice finish on them. It's not that in-your-face gold. I really like these, and they sort of have a satiny look to the enameling. Very pretty. I'm happy I got those. And then you've seen these before in different places. These are 2 piece, oh I'm sorry, these were 99 cents each, so basically 50 cents a charm. These are 2 piece 14 by 18 millimeter enamel butterfly pendant aqua/silver finish. They were $1.49. I like that aqua/teal and the silver finish as well. That's what the back looks like. They're finished nicely, and you know, we've been seeing them in like Jesse James and Soft Flex kits and stuff. And then next up, I wish I had gotten more of these actually. These are 19 by 15 millimeter double-sided seahorse pendants. Seahorse round charms, excuse me. And I like that they're double-sided. I'll probably use those in an upcoming project, and they're in antique silver finish. And then I got 2 10-gram bags of 4 by 3 millimeter faceted floral detail square dell spacer beads. These are in antique brass. The floral details on the sides of them. So they're just little spacer beads in antique brass. There we go. And then the same thing, those were 99 cents, and I didn't count them to see how many is in here, you know. And I also got them in antique copper. There we go. I think we've seen something similar in Bargain Bead Box in, I don't remember, I think it was the brass color. And then this is their card, a little thank you gift, and their beadboxbargains.com. And it says on the back, save 50 to 90% on gemstone, glass, crystal, and spacer beads, as well as clasps and findings. And they did send me some really cute antique silver small bead caps, which I love. I love bead caps. And there's quite a few in there. It appears to be like 30 or 40 of them. So, yeah, that was really nice. Thank you, Bead Box Bargains. And that's it, guys. So the total, I don't even know that I got a discount on this one. I might have forgot to use, or maybe we didn't have a May bargain bead box and I wasn't sure if the other coupon would still work. Anyway, it was $34.98 for all this yumminess. And I didn't go hog wild because I don't really need a lot, right? But once I had these and actually these in mind first, and then I just looked around for a few other things. They had like new in stuff, and this is what I ended up with. They are starting to put labels on some of their things. So finding 774 is the 2 seahorse rounds, which I'm going to put back in there. And finding 615 is the enamel butterfly pendant aqua silver finish, and I'm going to put that back in there also. So I hope they do that on everything, because I end up having to do that anyway for my jewelry system that I have, my inventory system. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will be back on probably not till the 12th, which is next Saturday, and this is Sunday, June 6th. So I hope to see you then. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.